Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. What we have here is we have demo day at one of my apartments, and we are demoing 5 units at the moment, and I'll take you through various stages of demo. And it is Wednesday, and they will be done here, and we'll start rebuilding next week. We'll do some we'll do maybe another update next week, and I'll show you week by week how it's progressing. And yeah, I mean, as you can see, we have a bathroom. We're taking out these walls, taking out some of these bulkheads. And what's going to happen is we took out the bathtubs that were here, and now it's going to be because it's a bachelor unit, we are just going to put a shower in there. And this kitchen, all these walls are coming down here. We will leave the main electrical running up, and we'll run basically a galley style kitchen here with a post for all the electrical. And we'll just move the panel off to another wall. And yeah, so this is one of the units. We are also doing all the interior hallways here. And this is the unit that has the lights. And as you can see, exactly, pretty much cookie cutter for us. This is a basement unit, but we're pretty much above grade. And again, take out all the walls, galley style kitchen. So basically what will happen is, as you walk in the door, you will walk right into the kitchen. All your sink and everything over here, dishwasher. We'll put a 2-in-1 washer and dryer. So every unit will have its own washer dryer. And again, bathroom, shower with a nice surround with some herringbone finish. And then obviously we will redo all the floors and make them look pretty. And did mention that taking care of these common areas, as you can see. At least down here, they've probably used the wrong paints over oil-based or something, and it's all flaking off. So we're fixing that now, aren't we? Trying to. And some of these things are slow processes, but these things need to be done. And you can see here, like this unit has been totally gutted right now, so we have no walls. And this will be the exact same. You're going to walk in, and there's going to be a galley style kitchen, and that's obviously the bathroom over there. And we're going to, again, like always, we're going to put a shower instead of a tub. I mean, if you're living in a bachelor unit, you're probably not going to need a bathtub. And yeah, and we're just cleaning this up. We are 1 week into the project, and things are moving. Electrical and plumbing. Ooh, dark over here. There we go. There's the light. Electrical and plumbing will start next week, and we'll start updating you guys as we're building and we're doing it, so you guys can see what's going on. So I just thought I'd give you a quick thing about what we're going to do. Just behind me, obviously this door stays. You guys can see that we have the interior thing. We're going to put new mailboxes in. We're just going to take out this door here, and this is going to be nice open space. Put a new locking system in here, and make it so it's electronic, and people can buzz people in. And just bring it up a little bit to the 21st century here. We do have some some character buildings in the neighborhood, and some not so character buildings in the neighborhood. But at the end of the day, it's a great little property, and hopefully we'll make some money at it. And guys, again, if you want to, we're up to about 830, 840 subscribers. Love it if you guys could subscribe. Go watch the back catalog of videos. There's lots of great information there, from joint ventures to BRRRRs to apartment buildings, to options trading, stock market, that type of thing. And yeah, would love to have you along for the ride. Guys, any questions, comments, put it down below. This is, again, just a short update video with what's going on with the building. Basically, we're making a nicer vestibule. Well, we're taking out this vestibule because it's very clogged. We're going to move the intercom outside and, you know, put a little shelter there. We did keep all the ivy. We have cleaned up some of the landscaping, and, you know, we're just moving forward and, you know, improving Hamilton one unit at a time.